Staring up at the vast night sky, I watch the fading shadows drift on by. 1,000 twinkling stars shine bright, yet I am standing here alone tonight.
I wish that I could see your face just one more time in this dark space. I miss you more than words can say, wishing you were here today.
Your silhouette is clear as day, like we just talked from yesterday. Your laughter echoes through the air. I reach for you, but you're not there.
I wanna hold you close and tight and never let you go tonight. Deep in my heart, this love remains unspoken through the quiet pains.
Do you know I'm thinking of you
In a land so far away, how I wish that you'd come back to start again and stay.
I miss you with my every breath,
With all my heart and soul, you're everything I'll ever need, the part that makes me whole.
though days and years keep moving on. My love for you is never gone. No matter how much time it takes, I'll hold this promise for our sakes.
I'll wait for you until the end, more than a memory or a friend. Do you know I'm thinking of you in a land so far away? How I wish that you'd come back to start again and stay.
I miss you with my every breath,
With all my heart and soul, you're everything I'll ever need, the part that makes me whole. I'll keep waiting for the dawn,
until the final breath is gone.
I'll stay right here
Right by your side.
until this life ends.